In today's digital world, power interruptions aren't just an inconvenience, they're costly, and we have the perfect solution for you. We have a Vaaku lithium UPS, which is a 60 Ah lithium UPS, which weighs only 21 kgs, and we have a 100 Ah lead acid battery, which weighs about 55 kgs and takes 3 times extra space. We'll now compare how these two perform under same conditions. So both units are at 100% charge, and we are going to give a continuous load of 700 watts to each of the units. Let's see how they perform under these conditions. So according to the endurance test, the lead acid battery lasts only 50 minutes and the Vaaku Smart Lithium UPS lasts 1 hour 10 minutes. This means that Vaaku Smart Lithium UPS is 40% more powerful in terms of energy efficiency. The Vaaku Smart Lithium UPS does not need any maintenance. The water levels need not be checked because the battery technology is much better. There is no corrosion because of the advanced battery technology. While the lead acid battery requires regular maintenance with distilled water and needs corrosion checks as well. Charging is another story altogether. The lead acid battery takes a minimum of 6 hours to get it to 100% charge, and Vaaku Smart Lithium UPS takes only 2 hours to charge and uses 50% less electricity to get it to 100%. Another thing is, when this is stressed, a lot of strain is given to the battery, dealer's assistance will be required to get it up and running again. Lead acid batteries emits gases like hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide, which are harmful to the environment and to humans. But the Vaaku Smart Lithium UPS does not emit any gases, making it environmental friendly and is more efficient as well. While the Vaaku Smart Lithium UPS costs a little higher in the initial stages, over a period of 4 years, you save a minimum of 40% as compared to lead acid batteries. This is because Vaaku Lithium UPS does not require any maintenance, does not require any replacement of batteries, higher reliability and efficiency. Make the smart move. Choose Vaaku Smart Lithium UPS, the intelligent choice for reliable power backup.